at home. Adding to their daily responsibilities, this can detract from time spent on studies and extracurriculars. In many cases, uniforms require specific shoes, socks, or other accessories which can lead to additional costs. We have a basic uniform itself, adding to the overall financial burden on the environment.
How can you say that the school uniforms impose financial burdens on families when civilian government and civilian schools can create a significant financial burden on families as students often feel social pressure to keep up with changing trends, styles, and brands. The need to wear different outfits frequently can result in higher clothing expenses over time, especially in competitive school environments where peer judgment is based on appearance is common. In contrast, uniforms offer one-time, consistent expense that minimizes the need for additional spending on clothing throughout the year.
What's your main idea?
My main idea is that civilian clothes can actually create a significant financial burden on families, especially on low-income families, because the children can feel pressure on keeping up with the trends.
So school uniforms can only be used in schools. Then, since school is limited to 5 years or 2 years, we'll change uniforms again. So when wearing civilian clothes, we can wear them every day. So if we allow students to wear civilian clothes here, we can also wear that outside.
If you are financially not literally broke, but you can just buy second-hand uniforms. Like for example, your friend who's older than you can buy their shoes, their polo, or anything.
If students buy second-hand uniforms, this can affect their learning abilities since we know that people here in schools are judgmental. They will judge about this
You said that it affects the learning ability. Then can you provide evidences that these actions, when using a second-hand clothes,
research gathering ba?
using second-hand clothes can actually decrease the learning style and the learning ability of the students?
The election podcast said earlier that in our society, many students are being affected when wearing civilians because of how people wanted them to see them because of the changing mainstream in our society. That is no different to wearing second-hand uniforms because if not an evidence, I can say that I myself have experienced because I was poor before because my mother is not giving me enough money for school. When I was just living for another family, they used to buy me second-hand clothes, and because of it, I was not able to study properly because my classmates often judge me on my school uniform because of the color it has. It's not the white, white like how their uniform because it's not clean. So it can still affect learning capability of the students. If you want to
But even if, actually, I would say that if you are affected by what people say, then that's your problem. As a human, we must open our minds and understand why they say that to you. Maybe they are just guilty that they are spending too much money.
our conversation is about having an open-minded way of thinking, and why is it that many of the students judge students because they wear uniform. It is not an act of being an open-minded person.
No, what I mean is you being the open-minded one, not the other. You must understand them, and maybe they just said that to you. Maybe it's because of their family background or something, like they have experienced something that they are not able to express, so that they displace it to you through bullying you by your uniforms. That is second step.
So
you say-
in your discussion, you said that it does not affect, but it does. He gave you evidence and you blamed him for having that problem. And he said the cause is the having second-hand school uniforms. And but you denied that.
Okay, let's proceed to claim
Having schools uniform doesn't enhance the safety and security of the students by providing a clear, reliable method of identification, reducing unauthorized access, and promoting a safer environment and both school and off-campus activities.
So, our uniforms, anyone can buy our uniforms. It's not bad. So, uniforms are not only limited to the students, so anyone can buy it without money. So,
the safety and security of the students. And
How
says,
exactly does it enhance the safety? Doesn't the problem lie on the security system of the school itself rather than the school uniform? If the criminal is that dedicated to committing a crime within the school, then it is only a small thing for them to provide the school uniform to disguise themselves as students of the school.
But I think we all know a thing like school ID.
Yes, that's my point. It's not, it doesn't lie on the in the school uniform. We can have IDs. We can identify students using IDs, not only the uniform themselves. Not anyone can use the uniform.
Anyone can use the uniform, but anyone cannot get the school ID.
And that proves our point. That school uniforms are not necessarily for What is the use of school uniforms? It is only extra expenses for our students. Well, it is true that uniforms might be easier for outsiders to blend in. The overall benefit of having a clear and concise dress code outweighs its risks. Uniforms make it significantly easier for school staff, teacher, and security personnel to quickly identify who belongs to the campus in an emergency situation or when monitoring the students. It is much more difficult to spot a person not wearing a uniform among the non-seekers of standard attire. Additionally, the implementation of other security measures such as ID or security checkpoint can mitigate the potential risk posed by outsiders wearing uniforms.
In line with what you said that uniform can enhance safety, if you are given what if you are involved in a situation that there is a gunman and there is two students, you wearing a school uniform, and does it change the reality that if the gunman shoots you, you won't die because your school uniform is bulletproof? Or if you are put in a situation that there is a car accident, are you going to be safe in your school uniform? Plus, if you are wearing an ID, if you happen to misplace your ID, there are people that can track you.
Car accident, that happens. You may buy. Ang ano pa sa safety, by this, sa campus.
In addition to pag nanang ka sa outside, ay hala, ang nabanggaan kita kasanta. Kaya nakaware ka mo school uniform na may identification mo naman na nakasanta ka. Aside sa iyong ID.
Yes, they have identified you as a student because you are in a car accident.
Exactly. That's my point.
But can you say you are safe na ba?
No, I'm not saying that it's not safe, but it's actually one way to mitigate the risk because you are quickly identified by the teachers, the staff, and other security
So you're saying
personnel.
if a student is not wearing school uniform, people will not be able to know that it's a student?
No, it's not.
What do you expect sa in the uniform by? You think wearing this you will be immortal? No.
Unfortunately, right outside the campus, you will be not identified with me. I want to know where school you are. Where do you go to school?
It's not so much that you are a student. Students still wear IDs, even if they're not wearing school uniform.
IDs are part of this form, but one way to quickly identify is the school uniform. When you go outside, for example, wala nakasibilyan ka, isang i-identify kung ahang ka.
Oh, like for example, ikaw may kumaksidili ka.
Ano? Lalis naman na. Hindi naman na yung Japan.
Academic fairness or exam results, which are some of the things that we prioritize as students. But the discipline that comes with wearing a school uniform by setting conditions for better grades is not necessarily because of the school uniform. It's actually the entire culture of the school that makes an impact on our academic performance. Meaning, courses that address issues that impact students' willingness or abilities to attend school, exam results are unaffected also by uniform. The drivers who passing exams are the students' study habits and personal efforts. I have a question. Is there any solid evidence showing that civilian clothes directly lead to better attendance or academic results, or this might be influenced by other factors like teaching quality and school environment?
Right. So, as I said, is there also evidence that shows that uniforms can is there also evidence that school uniforms can
Kaya diba, ino mo nga, hindi nyo makabuto attendance. Kaya ginoon man, wala nang may may kapakita para ma-solid yung group na ang student group
Pwede rin mo mag-isa. Pwede rin mo mag-isaya din ito.
I will say that it does enhance the academic performance. But I said that school uniform does not affect the academic performance, meaning that why do we need to buy school uniforms if it does not affect us entirely in our grades, which are the most important part of our what we learn for our future? If it does not affect our learning, then why should we buy it? Why do we have to buy it, to annex money for it?
Ang tao ba ay makabalo sa ayan na understanding ba ang uniform o ganito di mo na mo ba isa sa benepisyo nga para mag-uniform ka na dapat mag-uniform ba kasi ang pagkakawa di ba ay sa pagsabot nila siya kay sa tao nila siya pati ka kasabot is a issue.
His skill is...
We have already moved on, but
Ano mo yung pinaka-safest method?
Distractions and maintain a clean, consistent standard. This helps them serious load in school, making it easier for students to transition into a learning mindset. Uniforms also establish a structured and disciplined environment.
Diba, kada bata na may right niya, may lugar.
Like wearing dark colors,
Oh, Juan. Wala ko yung wala ng capsule. Uy.
Uniforms reduce social pressure related to fashion concepts, minimizing seeing or peer pressure based on clothing. With all students dressed similarly, there is less room for comparison or judgment based on brands, styles, or socioeconomic status, creating a more inclusive environment where students can focus on their studies and relationships rather than appearance.
On what basis can students focus more and be more disciplined wearing school uniform? Doesn't discipline be promoted by the institution itself, by the school, on how the teachers teach their students about the importance of discipline? Even without our uniform, the skill we discipline by participating and it is on us whether or not we follow what we have learned from our
Kuan try ka ng basic try. Kanal ER debates group something versus group.
What is inclusive are those that cannot afford school uniforms.
Na. Ako ara ngalan.
Okay,
Oh.
let's proceed to playing.
Bullying is often driven by deeper issues such as power dynamics, social prejudices, personal insecurities. Within individuals, students find other reasons to mischaracterize social status or personality, personal goals,
Okay, so we start with John, we're going to extend John and extend at the
school uniforms and staff bullying and can actually increase
submission of outline.
Civilian clothes may not prevent civilian clothes may not prevent bullying and in some cases can even decrease bullying. Allowing students to wear civilian clothes often highlights socioeconomic differences. Reasonable clothing brands has effects, which can be basis for bullying, social issues, or betrayal. Uniforms can reduce this distinction, creating more equal environment. For example, hindi magkul sa mag-civilian clothes doon guys. Pinabulit ko mga guys, hindi na balik-balik ang sa nila. Unang
But still,
civilian attire why students are being bullied. So, there are many ways on why students are being bullied, such as the way they use, the way they wear clothes, but also the way they look and the way they act in school. Hindi siya makatapos sa mga student abilities na magulang niya.
What can I say is the best thing to reply to a phone is silence. No!
Giving out a voice, they are just letting the
Nag-away na po.
Boom!
If you are bullied, then it's better to ignore than to
And then there's another point for us. Why should we focus on implementing school uniform? It does not often bullying also. Rather than finding genuine solutions to problems in that area, why should we focus on school uniform only if there are other routes to bullying?
Okay, so it's not there's still game
School uniform saves time and outfit decision. School uniform simplify morning routines. They make time and reducing stress for students and parents by eliminating notifications. This is evident in several ways. Firstly, uniforms minimize disagreements between parents and students in order to selection, reducing conflict and saving time. Additionally, uniforms streamline decision making, alleviating unnecessary stress and anxiety that comes with choosing an outfit. Without the burden of fashion decisions, students experience reduced morning stress, leading to improved punctuality as they are likely to be delayed by last-minute morning changes. Overall, delayed by last-minute overall, school uniforms promote a smoother, stress-free morning routine for all.
I'm sorry, can you please repeat your main point? Main point na.
School uniform simplify ay kanang mas dali saves time ba sa
saves time and student not to think about what to wear.
Yes. And what should I then if you want to consider about the morning, what about at night? Because not everyone is privileged enough to own multiple school uniforms. So if you say that they not having problems with what they should wear, what about those people who only own one pair of school uniform? Then they will have a problem of what they should wear tomorrow. Since if strict ang security system sa school about the school uniforms, then they wouldn't be able to enter like what is happening in our school right now. They wouldn't be able to enter our school because they don't have they're wearing our school uniform. Why should we only consider about the mornings? We should also consider at night when we get home. We're at home. We are not only students. We are sisters and we are siblings. We are a child. We should also focus on that. If we implement the school uniforms, if we make school uniforms a requirement, then it creates a problem for those students who are not privileged enough na maglaba pa sila. They will think about what they should wear, what is the uniform. Rather than studying, they think about maglaba na lang.
ay ba nakasabay ba first thing you will do by is to
Yeah, bago ba?
laban tayo kung ang problema ka ba kung problema ka based on experience, imo na siyang hanapay. Mas selling, kami na sa, selling fans by. Ipasilipan mo na siya, kaya nga naman, ang katong hangin ba, ito piluto niya tubig pababa.
It's not only drying of the school uniform, it's about washing. Washing our school uniforms takes time, especially since it's white. It gets dirty very easily, so we need extra time and effort to wash it off. And rather than using those extra time for studying, we're using it in washing our uniforms.
Knowing that school uniforms are white, siyempre, dili po siguro ka mag-ugaw-ugaw tayo, no?
But not in all times we can control how we not in all times we can control our environment. There are some times when, for example, if we're out and then naay mag-ikot sa imong ball, ay kananay magdula dira tapos may ikot mag-bola. Na-avoid na nimo. You're just walking. It's not expected. Even if you're so careful, there are so many unexpected things to happen that can still dirty your school uniform.
If your clothes is dirty, then brush is the answer.
Our clothes does that. It doesn't put anything inside.
Well, I will not say anything because practice by experience by balik isa pa uniform by.
Because if you want to go to school early, then you want to manage your time. You need to wake up early so that you can go to school early. Wearing school uniform is not the only solution for this to save your time.
Summary of Summary
Taken as grass, give itself a breakfast, and may even live for
So you are going to refute their claims. What were those claims?
So, there's that claim related uniforms promote discipline in the school, which is not entirely true because discipline comes from the person itself and not the way how people wear clothes or uniforms. And for their third claim, having fully purchased kind of outfit decision is also not entirely true because if you want to save time in outfit decision, then you will have to have enough time to have this outfit decisioning or maybe try to decisioning like manage your time so that you will have enough time to have decisions in your outfit.
According to the are often considered the next positive impact of personalities, particularly those with low incomes. It is argued that uniforms will have significant influence in students' academic performance or attendance, and they are thought to be effective. They are thought to be effective to can be truly aid or even risky. Although uniforms require an investment, they may ultimately lower overall clothing expenses by reducing the need for special school attire to the pressure to follow expected fashion trends. Many schools also provide financial aid or affordable uniform options to help families manage the cost. Uniforms might not directly boost academic performance, but they contribute to a more organized and learning environment by minimizing limiting distractions. Research indicates that having a sense of equality and belonging can enhance student engagement, indirectly supporting better attendance and readiness. Uniforms may not only prevent bullying, they can reduce judgment based on appearance or common cause of bullying. By promoting unity, uniforms help minimize divisions by social dynamic,
established or practiced, but will not be a standalone solution if they play a role in government initiatives to ensure respectful and safe school environment. For example, the Long Beach Unified School District in California saw a 36% increase in school crime within 5 years of implementing school uniform.
Okay, conclusions.
To sum it all up, school uniforms, while intended to promote equality and focus, often cause financial problems for families, do not improve grades or attendance, and do not improve grades. And these issues, including extra costs, lack of academic benefits, and ongoing bullying, show that we need to think again about using uniforms in schools. To truly support students, school should focus on building an environment that values individuality, kindness, and self-expression instead of enforcing uniforms. Moving away from required uniforms will allow students to show who they are, feel more accepted, and have a better school experience.
Okay, conclusion.
School uniforms provide considerable benefits by improving safety, establishing a routine and professional school environment, and utilizing remote
Jared with the long hair.
benefits, establishing a more supportive environment which encourages both personal development and academic focus. Schools should consider implementing a balanced dress code that values individual expression of creating guidelines for future time. Implementing adequate expression, creating a healthy school culture, and including students in making decisions can harmonize kindness or effectively.
Okay, final say, dear classmates.
So everyone, uniforms, it is okay to use school uniforms, but what we're trying to say that it should not be a requirement in school.
Okay, what's your say? What's your call? Message, dear classmates.
Anali Padilla ma'am, pag-uniform ng dapat kayo.
Okay, it's a policy, so as a policy, you should follow, or else you keep your own school. It's a policy. Okay. It's not a policy, probably maybe, but since it's a policy that you have to wear your uniform from Monday to Friday, then you should wear your okay. Okay, so I'm returning this back to you. You are going to sign this for tomorrow. I'll start the test. Some of these tests tomorrow will begin at 2 o'clock. And then we will continue with the remaining two groups.
Yes,
Already. Okay, goodbye everyone.